Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the piece is clean and dry, dirt traps grit and scratches. Once done, test the polish on a hidden spot to check reaction and finish. This prevents surprises. Next, place a half pea-sized drop on a soft cotton or microfiber pad and press it to the metal. You're aiming for even coverage over a 4-6 square inch area. Work systematically so you don't miss spots. You should polish with intention. Use overlapping circular motions, then finish with straight strokes to level the surface. Switch direction every 10 to 15 seconds to avoid swirl marks. Make sure your pressure is light to medium. Heavy force just grinds metal and removes more material than necessary. Once a zone looks brighter, buff away residue with a clean microfiber and inspect at arm's length. Repeat until consistent shine appears, moving across the piece in controlled, small sections for best results. You finish by thoroughly buffing each polished area with a fresh microfiber until high gloss is uniform. Use a soft toothbrush or Q-tip for intricate crevices. Once polished, apply a thin protective wax or clear coat to lock the shine and slow retarnishing. This step makes future maintenance easier. If you see haze, streaks, or uneven patches, stop and clean the spot with isopropyl alcohol. Let it dry, then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.